Zelle, friend-to-friend payments, but is there a catch? Ever needed to split a dinner bill with friends and realized none of you have cash? Maybe you want to send a quick birthday gift to a loved one across the country. In today's digital age, traditional methods of exchanging money can feel clunky and outdated. That's where peer-to-peer, P2P, payment services like Zelle come in. They offer a fast, convenient way to send and receive money directly between bank accounts. But with all the talk of Zelle's ease and speed, a crucial question arises: does using Zelle cost anything? Hold on tight, because the answer might surprise you. Zelle itself doesn't charge any fees to open an account or to send or receive money. That's right, using Zelle for those quick transactions with friends and family is completely free. Sounds too good to be true, doesn't it? Well, there's a caveat. While Zelle might not have its own fees, your bank might have a different story. See, Zelle partners with numerous banks and credit unions to offer its services. These financial institutions integrate Zelle directly into their mobile banking apps, making it super accessible. However, just like any service, banks have the right to set their own fees for transactions, including those made through Zelle. So, how do you know if your bank charges for Zelle? There are a couple of ways to find out. First, check your bank's website or mobile app for their fee schedule. They typically outline any charges associated with online banking features, including potential Zelle transaction fees. If you're still unsure, the best course of action is to simply contact your bank directly and ask. Here's the good news. Many banks do not impose any additional fees for using Zelle. They see it as a valuable service that complements their existing online banking offerings. However, some banks might charge a flat fee per transaction, or they might have tiered fees based on the amount of money you're sending. The key takeaway? Don't assume your bank won't charge for Zelle. Do your research beforehand to avoid any unexpected fees down the line. But Zelle isn't the only P2P game in town. What about other services like Venmo or Cash App? These platforms function similarly to Zelle, but they often have their own fee structures in place. Venmo, for instance, charges a fee for instant transfers, while Cash App might take a percentage of the amount you're sending. So, how does Zelle stack up against the competition? Zelle boasts the advantage of being completely free to use, as long as your bank doesn't have hidden fees. However, it may not offer all the features some users might find desirable, such as social media-like feeds or the ability to purchase goods and services. Ultimately, the best P2P service for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you simply need a free and fast way to send money to friends and family with participating banks, Zelle could be a perfect fit. But remember, always check with your bank to confirm they don't have any surprise Zelle fees. With a little research, you can ensure you're getting the most out of this convenient P2P service. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.